In the transportation industry, everything is on the move, and the details of cargo, routes, and schedules are constantly being revised. Keeping your orders up to date will help you track these changes and ensure that when it comes time to dispatching and eventually invoicing your customers, nothing gets left on the dock. Before you can modify your order, you will need to find it. The easiest way to locate an order is through the orders list using the left navigation bar. If you have a lot of active orders, you may need to search for the order using the Pro or order number in this bar, the customer name or delivery location using the advanced search functions. You can look for any of your orders filtered by any of the criteria listed here. Once you've located the order on the list, open the order by clicking the icon. This will bring up the order record, the general information about the order, as well as shipments, revenue, and any expenses that might be attached to that order. If you have already dispatched the order, you will also be able to see all the related dispatches. You can edit or change any of the information in the general area by clicking the Edit button. This will bring up an editable view of all of those details. Make any necessary changes and hit the Save button to return to the full order record. Note that any changes to the pickup or delivery locations, dates, or times will be made in the related shipment. If the shipment details have changed or you have new information to add to the existing shipment, you will move here to the shipment area, and there you can open the shipment record by clicking on the Open icon next to the shipment in question. If you want to add a new shipment to the order, clicking on the Add Shipment will bring up the Create Shipment screen, allowing you to fill out all the necessary information and make sure to pay attention to those required fields, and then click Create down in the bottom here. Let's talk about adjustments to existing revenue, or how to add additional revenue or accessorial charges. To modify an existing revenue line item, click on the Edit button to the left of the line. This will bring up the Edit Order Receivable Charge page where you can make the necessary changes. Maybe you're going to charge $2,800 on the load. Then, once you hit Save, that will commit those changes. To add a new revenue item, like a tarp charge or an extra pick or drop, any accessorial charges, you simply use the Add Receivable, and here in your pull down will be a list of all of your revenue items, allowing you to categorize that accessorial charge. To modify any existing expense item, you will navigate to the Expenses area and open the related bill, where you can add, edit, or remove payable line items associated with that bill. New expenses that will be paid to the same vendor should be added into their existing bill using the Add Payable Charge. However, if you have a new expense that is not to the same vendor, you will, on the order, you will use Add Bill. This will open up the Create Bill, allowing you to choose the vendor or personnel that you're creating the bill for. Once you've created that, by clicking that Create button, you then have the ability to add in those payable charges. And here in this drop-down is a list of all of your expense items, again allowing you to categorize your expenses. Back to the order. The last thing to note about modifying your orders is the ability to use your notes. You can add any number of notes to the order by clicking on the Add Note button and Some of these notes could be for internal details about the order, while others might be communicated to the driver on a dispatch or added to the bill of lading. And here in this pull down, you have the ability to choose the type of note you would like to add to this order. Also noting that any note has the ability to have an electronically scanned document attached to it by using this button that allows you to choose the file. And that's all about modifying our orders. Thank you.